how to use BDO Debit Card abroad. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use your BDO Debit Card abroad. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is ensure that your card is authorized for foreign transactions. Over here, you can either call BDO customer service or check the latest version of their mobile app. After that, confirm that your card is enabled for international use. Then you can use the card abroad just like you would at home. For online purchases, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. For in-person transactions, you can swipe, use contactless payment, or insert the card at a terminal. After that, be aware of any potential fees. BDO may charge currency conversion fees or international transaction fees. To avoid surprises, you can convert your currency before traveling. Then, if you need to withdraw cash abroad, try to use an ATM from an affiliated bank to reduce additional charges. As long as your card is authorized and you keep these tips in mind, you can use your BDO debit card abroad with ease. So that's how you can use your BDO debit card abroad. That's all for this video.